Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to talk about my favorite ingredient, which is nothing but mung bean, also commonly called as green gram. So we all know that consuming mung bean has various health benefits because they are enriched with plenty of powerful nutrients. But do you all know that mung bean also has amazing skin benefiting properties as they help to treat acne, suntan and dullness, and also it helps to enhance the skin texture, leaving your skin glowing and healthy. So to know all the amazing benefits of mung bean and also my top 3 face packs using mung bean, do watch the video till the end. So let's get started.
Let's go!
Mung bean or green gram powder has a long history in Ayurvedic beauty. It is used as a gentle cleanser from ancient times as it is rich in antioxidant properties which helps to prevent skin damage caused by free radicals. And also its fine texture helps to gently exfoliate your dead skin cells and dirt, making it an excellent choice as a daily facial and body cleanser. So the cleanser I'm going to show you now is an ancient skin recipe, and with a consistent usage, number 1, it improves your skin radiance as mung bean is rich in amino acids which brightens your skin, and number 2, it treats your suntan as mung bean has vitamin A and C and also it has zinc in it. Altogether is great to treat suntan.
So to make the mung bean powder, grind the mung bean into a fine texture, and it's best to filter it out once again to avoid uneven particles, and the filtered powder should look like this. Okay, so to make this cleanser, we also need besan. So gram flour has excellent oil absorbing properties and also acts as a gentle cleansing agent. So take a full cup of mung bean and a half cup of gram flour and mix it well. And that's it, our facial and body cleanser is ready, and the final step is store it in an airtight container. To use this cleanser, just take some amount of this powder and add a little water and gently exfoliate over the face and the body for 1 minute and wash it off.
So I use this powder every day as a morning cleanser, and at night I use my regular face wash to remove all the dirt and the sunscreen. So the reason is I don't like to use a face wash in the morning because there isn't anything on a face in the morning like dirt or makeup. So this cleanser helps to clean my skin gently, and also I love the fact that it removes the excess oil without stripping away the natural moisture in the skin. So do try it out, and it leaves a glowing skin, and also it's very gentle, so it is suitable for all skin types. So mung bean has high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties which helps to soothe acne inflammation and acne scarring, and also it helps to fade blemishes over time.
To make this pack, add 1 tablespoon of mung bean powder and 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and lastly add 1 teaspoon of neem powder. Mix it well into a thick paste. Neem has amazing antibacterial properties which helps to treat acne and post-pimple scars, and yogurt has great exfoliating and hydrating properties. Keep it for 10 minutes and wash it off.
So you can use this face pack 3 to 4 times a week to spot treat your acne, and also you can use it as a regular face pack to get all those amazing benefits. And in this video I have used Alps Goodness neem powder, but you can use any good brand of your choice which has 100% neem powder, and if you have neem leaves you can make it for yourself. And one important thing, neem can be irritating to some skin types, so make sure to do a patch test, or if you're not sure about this ingredient, skip this ingredient and just use mung bean and yogurt because mung bean alone has amazing acne healing properties, so it does the job. So mung beans are high in copper which has amazing anti-aging and skin smoothing benefits, and also it is rich in vitamin A which is a powerful property to prevent aging from our skin.
So to make this, add 1 tablespoon of mung bean powder and 1 tablespoon of honey, and lastly add green tea. Mix it well into a thick paste. So green tea has amazing anti-aging and skin soothing properties, and honey acts great as a pore cleanser. Keep it for 10 minutes and wash it off.
So you can use this face pack for 2 to 3 times a week, and not only this face pack has amazing anti-aging benefits, but also this ingredient helps to give a good nourishment and natural glow to the skin. So do try it out. So yeah, these are the amazing benefits of these magic beans, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my video, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you soon. Bye guys.